Hi guys! For today's video, gagamitin natin itong Gogoro Smart Scooter. Isa tong electric bike and we'll take it for a spin and papakita ko rin sa inyo kung anong bike ba siya at paano siya gamitin, syempre. So this is fully electric and I'll share with you kung ano yung mga yon as we go along the video. So stay tuned and then let's go. So para mag-power siya or ma-activate yung power niya, you just have to tap your card here. And then pag narinig niyo yung beep, ibig sabihin on na siya. Pero bago yon, kailangan nyo muna siyang i-activate para umandar. Of course, let's wear our Gogoro helmet. Diba? It's very, very cute. Ang ganda ng color. Bagay na bagay sa ating motor. And then, lift the motorcycle up. Siyempre, tanggalin natin yung stand. And you have to press yung go dito sa ating panel. Hold mo lang yung brake mo. Press this one. And then, there, ready ka na to move. So, tara, samahan niyo ako guys. Mag-ikot tayo dito sa BGC. And I'll show you kung ano nga ba yung mga benefits and why I love this Gogoro Smart Scooter. Let's go! First impression ko dito sa bike na to guys is that it's very lightweight pero very compact din siya. You can easily maneuver the bike without needing a huge lane para magkasya yung motor natin. I also love that the